Hello Flutter enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a powerful tool for precise layout control in Flutter, the Positioned Widget. The Positioned Widget allows you to position child widgets within a stack widget with accuracy and flexibility, making it an essential part of creating complex UI layouts. Let's explore its capabilities. First, let's understand what the Positioned Widget does. The Positioned Widget is used within a stack widget to precisely position its child widgets. By specifying the top, bottom, left, or right properties, you can control the exact position of the child widget relative to the edges of the stack. Let's start by creating a simple Positioned Widget. In your Flutter code, you define a stack widget and add a Positioned Widget as its child. Then, you specify the position of the child widget using properties like top, bottom, left, or right. To use the Positioned Widget effectively, it's essential to understand how stack layouts work. Child widgets within a stack are stacked on top of each other, and their positions are determined by the order in which they are added to the stack. The Positioned Widget offers advanced capabilities for creating complex layouts. You can use Positioned Widgets to create overlapping elements, implement parallax effects, or create custom animations. Before we conclude, let's go over some best practices and tips for using the Positioned Widget. Keep your layout logic clear and organized, use alignment and padding properties for spacing, and test your layouts on multiple screen sizes. In conclusion, the Positioned Widget is a powerful tool for creating precise and flexible layouts in Flutter. By mastering its usage and understanding its capabilities, you can create stunning UI designs that adapt to various screen sizes and orientations. Now that you've learned the ins and outs of the Positioned Widget in Flutter, go ahead and create intricate and visually appealing layouts with confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!